Hi everyone, great that you took this course. Now there is one not that unimportant question, I'd say. What is Angular 2? Angular 2 is a JavaScript framework that allows us to easily create single-page applications. Now single-page applications are something that, well, we only see a couple of years, let's say, because they offer us a very familiar feeling when we use websites that feel like apps on our mobile phone, because we're not constantly sending requests and getting back new views like we would in traditional, let's say, MVC frameworks, for example, but we have one single page. That's the reason why it is called single page application. So one HTML file, and our framework, Angular 2 in this case, constantly changes and updates the DOM depending on user interaction or, of course, on requests we send via AJAX and responses we get back. That in return, since JavaScript runs in the client, in the browser, allows us to create a very, very good user experience because things update immediately, everything is very fast and responsive, and therefore it provides us a nice feeling. The downside of single-page applications is it can be pretty hard to track the current state of our application, because as it is only one document, we kind of have to know where we currently are or what is rendered, what happened. That is where frameworks like Angular 2 come into play. They offer us a lot of help when it comes to managing the state, interacting with the DOM, and in general have a nice way of creating those single-page applications. Now Angular 2, the name applies it, is the successor of Angular 1 or AngularJS. That was an immensely important and successful JavaScript framework as well, pretty much the same use case as Angular 2, but it has had some downtimes or downsides. It was a bit slow and not very scalable when it comes to bigger applications. One major reason was the two-way data binding it used by default. Now, Angular 2 differs in a way that it no longer has this default two-way data binding, and it also took a lot of different approaches. So it is really, really different to Angular 1, which allows everyone taking this course to learn it, since knowing Angular 1 is no prerequisite. But since Angular 1 was that successful, we can pretty much expect that Angular 2 and the current hype around it kind of supports this, will also get pretty successful. Therefore, learning it as soon as possible and getting a real expert offers a huge edge. And that is something you'll be able to do or you'll gain throughout this course. See you in the videos. Bye.